Overwhelm doesn't fix itself. Support does. I know that hits deep, but hear me out. Because most of us in the mature age season have spent years trying to push through, be strong, or just deal with it. But here's the truth: overwhelm doesn't magically resolve, it stacks, right? And your body is the one paying the price until you decide to support it. If we haven't met yet, I'm Claudette Eames, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. And I'm telling you this from lived experience, right? You don't get extra points for struggling, and you don't get a badge for pushing past what your body could no longer carry. This stage of life requires something different: support, not strain. There were years where I kept trying to outrun overwhelm. Told myself things like, I just need more disciplined, need to be more disciplined. I should try harder. I'll get it together next week. But the truth was, it had nothing to do with discipline. My nervous system was tapped out. My energy was fried. And my body had been whispering for years. And I kept bulldozing right over it. You know what I learned? Overwhelm isn't a personality flaw. It's a sign. A sign that the system that's been carrying you for decades finally needs support, not pressure. When I finally shifted from pushing to supporting, that's when everything softened. My energy wasn't leaking everywhere. My mood wasn't bouncing all over the place. And my days actually left manageable again. It just felt better. Not perfect, not magical, just supported. And that changed everything. Let me break this down in a way that actually makes sense for our stage of life. Overwhelm is your body's stress response, not a failure. When the nervous system is overloaded, even small tasks feel like mountains. It's not you. It's your system saying, I can't carry this alone anymore. Support creates clarity. When your system is calm, your mind stops racing. Decisions feel doable again. Your day doesn't feel like quicksand. Your energy changes when your regulation changes. We blame age, but most mature age fatigue isn't age at all. It's overload. And once the system gets steady support, energy comes back online. Support makes healthy habits easier. You don't have to force yourself into routines. Your body finally cooperates because it has what it needs underneath everything. And here's the part most people miss: support doesn't require big dramatic changes. It's small, steady things. That kind that feel gentle, not overwhelming. But the key is this: overwhelm doesn't resolve on its own. You have to choose support, or the system keeps paying the price. So if today you're listening and thinking, yep, she's talking to me, that's me, I've been running on empty, I want you to know nothing's wrong with you. You're not broken, you're not weak. Your body is simply asking for the support it's earned. And that's exactly what I help people rebuild: calm, steadiness, and the strength to feel like yourself again. If today's message landed, drop support. Just drop that below and let's talk. And I'll reach out privately. No pressure. Just a human conversation about what's possible. Kind of find out where you're at. Kind of just have that discussion about what's going on, and kind of give you a plan, something to move forward with, some hope, direction, and that there is a path. You have a path. So I want to thank you for being here with me today. Your presence matters more than you know. Again, I'm Claudette Eames, and I look forward to talking with you.